Think you need a gym for a strong, fit body? Here's how home workouts can transform you. Many people think getting fit requires a pricey gym membership, complicated equipment. But here's the truth. You can build a strong, toned body right from your living room. Home-based workouts, when done consistently, are incredibly effective for building strength, improving endurance, and toning up all without leaving your home. 1. Bodyweight exercises. The core of home workouts. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are the foundation of any solid fitness routine. These moves use your own weight for resistance, targeting major muscle groups and building functional strength. Start with a circuit of 10 to 15 reps per exercise, and aim to complete 3 rounds. Bodyweight workouts increase both strength and endurance, giving you that fit, toned look over time. 2. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) for cardio and fat burn. HIIT is perfect for burning fat and boosting cardiovascular health in a short amount of time. With HIIT, you perform exercises at high intensity for 20 to 30 seconds, followed by a quick rest. Try moves like mountain climbers, jumping jacks, and burpees, cycling through 4 to 5 exercises for 15 to 20 minutes. HIIT not only burns calories fast, but also keeps your metabolism revved up long after the workout ends. 3. Core workouts for stability and strength. A strong core is key to a fit body. It helps with posture, balance, and overall strength. Classic moves like planks, bicycle crunches, and leg raises are great core builders. Add a few core exercises to each session, aiming for 2 to 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds per exercise. Over time, you'll notice a tighter, stronger midsection and improved stability in all your movements. 4. Use resistance bands for extra challenge. If you're ready to take things up a notch, resistance bands are an affordable, effective way to increase difficulty without taking up space. Bands add extra resistance to moves like squats, rows, and glute bridges, helping you build muscle and strength. Plus, they're versatile, allowing you to target smaller muscle groups for more balanced strength. 5. Stretch and recover to stay stronger. Fit body isn't just strong, it's also flexible. Include 5 to 10 minutes of stretching each workout to improve mobility, prevent injuries, and help muscles recover faster. Simple stretches for the hamstrings, quads, shoulders, and back will keep your muscles loose and help you feel energized. Create a weekly plan for lasting results. Aim for 3 to 4 home workout sessions per week, combining strength, cardio, and flexibility exercises for a balanced routine. With consistency, you'll notice improvements in strength, muscle tone, and energy levels. Building a fit, strong body at home is completely achievable. These home-based workouts are efficient, versatile, and will keep you looking and feeling your best all without the need for a gym.